I want to talk to you about hope. I believe that hope is the lifeblood of the brain. So how do we get to this reservoir of hope?
As many people have said, HeartspeakTV is really almost like GPS for life. It's sharing life lessons based on lived experiences and many struggles that individuals have had, people from all walks of life, and how they've worked through this, what's helped. And I want to invite you today to think about maybe there's a topic, an issue, of course, that you have personal experience with, and you'd like to share some of your insights and experiences with us, so that with the goal that we can share that with more people. So do get in touch at info@heartspeak.ca, and let's find a way to feature your story or your insights. Now, if you're making a video, perhaps you've got something already and you'd like to send that in. It'd be better if it's really under 3 minutes, if possible. But if not, we'll review it and find a way to adapt it, and we'll go from there. So the whole goal really of HeartspeakTV is to encourage others and to help others feel not so alone, but also to realize that their journey, their tough struggles, through what they've learned in life, if they share it with others, it can actually be a benefit to many, many people. And it's a way of making a difference. So I hope you'll get in touch.